Okay, stay here. Come on. Jackpot. Okay. Okay. This is a bit. Okay. I like this one. I might skate more. My energy's getting more. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, it's only 17. Seriously. Oh, my mind's getting more. Yes. Yes, sister. Yes. Oh, oof, no. You haven't fixed it yet. Money. Yes! Yes! Oh, I need 90 left. Where's everyone? No, I almost did it. No. I hate this game. Oh no, let's get 100. Just kidding. It's impossible. Okay, never mind. That's yours. Yes! Oh my gosh! 400! Oh my gosh! I'm just gonna fix myself. But should I? Oh, I think my mic's getting. I don't think I can still play it. I need more. Yay! Let's go to another one! Level 5! I mean not level 4. Oh, so 18. Oh, yes! Yes! I even have 400. Only 72 fights. Oh, you. What should I do right now? There's a cat. There's a cat. There's whatever. Just forget about that. Okay, so I have 3 shells. That's okay if I build right. That is not that. Wow, it's so much. Okay. Oh my gosh. I want to see how many I have. I have 800 only 800. I hate my life. So 2000. Don't you? So I have a most one. I didn't have it. Wait. Oh, what's in the tie? Oh my gosh. Where is Letitia? I can't even find her. Letitia, where is you? I mean, where are you? I can't. Yeah, man, for nothing. Saw nothing. I know where she is, but I don't care anyway. Already. Oh, wait, 5 million? Oh, that scared me already. I'm sorry. I think too much. Okay, you have a lot of show. What do you want me to do? Oh, whoa, 200. Oh, too much. I need a carrot. Hey, who should I steal? How about... Yeah, let's do this one. Laggy. Nice. Only whatever, just forget about that. 200! Yay! Does that mean I already have 10,000? Yeah, I have 10,000 right now. Yay, GG guys. Yay, GG. A shell again. Maybe it's too loud. Yeah, it's too loud. My ears broken. Okay, let's see how many I have. Oh, I'm 11. This is my age. Yes! Wait, why? I thought it was 200. This is making. Oh no, 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 no. I'm not stealing Letitia once. Oh. You only mine. Whatever. Forget about it. Do whatever I want. No more shell. I already have a lot. Never mind. Still not doing anything. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Oh, I'm a robber. This is a robbery. Actually, it's not hers. She didn't play, so I had to pick. Yay! Haha, good at picking, huh? No more robbery, no anything you want. Again, robbery. Seriously, it sucks. Let's remember where it is. So, last but not least. Yes! I'm always almost 400. And I can get 800. Nice. Okay, so how many do I have left? Meh. That sucks. Not a shell. I knew it. What? It just wastes my. You always my tiny. No, this was so fun to get. It just wastes me on my jam. Whatever. This will. I just don't care about it. At least I know math. Math sucks. Not a shell. I already have a lot of shell. Never mind. I had everything I want. Sorry, my friend. I didn't mean to. Seriously, come on, just let me get 400. Just let me have my 400. I mean, gems. That's very true. Wait, you kidding me? Oh, thank God, it's not kidding me already. Oh. Yay! It's only 5. How basic. I already had a lot. Why don't I just waste all my money on this? They're wasting it. I don't care. Why is it a lot? Wow. What a waste. I think my money's getting dying. Come on, we almost did it. We did it! Oh my god, it's Aries and Taurus. Yay! Let's go to another place. Oh, rainbow! Aw, it's so cute. Oh, this one. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, look at the cat. Oh my god, I'm crying. You're already 100. Okay, that's alright. I'm not going to play anymore. Why? I just forget about that. Just end the video.